Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I want to take this opportunity to address a matter in question surrounding Honorable Raphael Tuju. And I want to state clearly that Article 40, Sub-Article 1 of the Kenyan Constitution states that every Kenyan citizen has a right to own property, either individually or in the company of others, and in any part of this country. Honorable Raphael Tuju has a property and is being frustrated on his own property. This matter has attracted a lot of interest of which is very malicious from certain quarters and certain members of this government, frustrating Honorable Tuju from accessing his property and or purporting to want to auction the property that belongs to Honorable Tuju is infringing on this fundamental right that is envisaged in the Kenyan Constitution. Honorable Tuju is being frustrated, being treated in a very inhuman way, his dignity being frustrated by the government because they are using police officers. And we know very well that Article 28 talks about human dignity, that every person has a right to be treated in a dignified way with respect and is being protected by the Constitution. Whatever is surrounding this issue has become political, goons being sent to his premise to frustrate him, to evict him forcefully, and we know that this matter is still pending in court. Honorable Tuju has not been given a right to a fair hearing as envisaged in the Constitution of Kenya. Article 48 is very clear that the state must ensure that there is access to justice to every Kenyan citizen. But in this case, what are we experiencing? Frustrations. Honorable Tuju is being denied a right, a fundamental right enshrined in the Constitution, a right to appeal. And Article 164, Sub-Article 3, gives the Court of Appeal an appellate jurisdiction to hear and determine cases from the High Court. And it does not stop there. It still has a further right to appeal to the Supreme Court, as envisaged in Article 163, Sub-Article 3, that the Supreme Court shall hear, or rather has an appellate jurisdiction to hear and determine cases from the Court of Appeal. Therefore, until all these appeal mechanisms are satisfied, then any other thing can happen. Either he wins, or if he doesn't, then again, Article 159, Sub-Article 2, Paragraph C, further protects him on the ADR, the Alternative Dispute Resolution Mechanisms that should be put in place to help solve this matter. Frustrating Honorable Tuju with his family in the middle of the night or at any time of the day is unacceptable. We stand with Honorable Tuju. Even Kenya itself has a loan of 12.3 trillion, and we've not had any country coming to auction our nation. Why would we frustrate Honorable Tuju? So therefore we stand in solidarity, and we urge all Kenyans to be in solidarity with Honorable Raphael Tuju. God bless you. Thank you.